Now we discuss the equation of plane. Another equation. I told two equation of planes and two equation of lines. So this is the fourth equation. This is also one of the important 5 marks question here. So now you see equation of plane perpendicular to given vector and passing through given point. Equation of plane passing through the point and perpendicular to the vector. Here you have to imagine point here, point in a space, a plane passing through that point. For example, we'll take here, this is a one plane, this is one plane, here one point is there, the plane passing through that point, plane passing through that point and perpendicular to another vector, perpendicular to another vector. So diagram we have to draw here, diagram is very important. So first of all, you draw the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, y-axis and z-axis. One plane if we are taking in a space, this is the one plane. Plane is nothing but two-dimensional space. Two dimensions is there. That is a space. The example, this one I shown here. This is outside of the board. Here, there. You have to imagine that one. And this is the center. Origin. Origin is O. Now, passing through the point they are telling. So that's why point A I am taking. Point A. With the position vector. With the position vector of the point is A bar. Point is A bar. And perpendicular to this plane. Perpendicular to vector. That means like this you have to draw. We can't draw the diagram outside. So that's why imagine this is a perpendicular vector. This is a n bar vector perpendicular to plane. Here this is a plane perpendicular vector. This is a perpendicular vector. So this one we are drawing in two-dimensional space. So now 3D we can't draw outside. Actually this is outside. This perpendicular to the plane. So imagine that as a perpendicular. Now another point, arbitrary point I am taking P. The position vector R bar, join AP. Join AP. Join AP. So this is a diagram. Diagram is very important here. This total diagram represent in words. Let a plane passing through the point A. Plane passing through the point A with the position vector A bar, that is OA bar equal to A bar. You can write in your own words also. OA bar equal to A bar. Next one, and perpendicular to the vector N bar. Vector N bar perpendicular. Plane passing to the point A with the position vector A bar and perpendicular to the N bar vector. Let P be any point, another point in the plane, another point in a plane with the position vector R bar. OP bar equal to R bar. So now by the diagram we can write then the point P lies in plane if and only if AP bar perpendicular to N bar. AP bar is perpendicular to N bar. Therefore, AP bar dot N bar equal to 0 vector. AP bar dot N bar equal to 0 number. Dot product should be a scalar. AP bar is perpendicular to. You can observe here this one. So you can take this one as a perpendicular to AP bar. AP bar dot N bar equal to 0. This one we can write OP bar minus OA bar dot of N bar equal to 0. OP bar is R bar minus A bar dot N bar equal to 0. So this is a vector equation of plane. This is a vector equation of plane. R bar minus A bar dot N bar dot N bar. This is a vector form. Now we discuss the Cartesian form. Cartesian form. Cartesian form, how will do this one? Point P R bar. Let P of x comma y comma z, that implies OP bar equal to R bar equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Next one, a point x1 comma y1 comma z1 implies a bar equal to a bar equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap, and n bar is a vector. I am taking n bar as a I cap, capital A I cap, capital B j cap, C k cap is a vector. N bar perpendicular to the plane. So that's why I am taking A I cap, B j cap plus C k cap. Now these three values substitute here. So what you'll get? X minus R bar minus A bar. Here take as a equation 1. 1 implies R bar minus A bar, X minus X1 I cap, Y minus Y1 J cap, Z minus Z1 K cap, dot product with N bar. N bar is a I cap, B J cap, C K cap equal to 0. If you make the dot product, A into X minus X1 plus B into Y minus Y1 plus C into Z minus Z1 equal to 0. This is the Cartesian form of equation. This is the Cartesian form of equation. Cartesian form of equation is A into X minus X1 plus B into Y minus Y1, C into Z minus Z1. X1, Y1, Z1 are the point passing to the point. A, B, C are the direction ratios. A, B, C are the direction ratios of the vector perpendicular to the plane. So now this is a very important 5 marks question. Equation of plane passing to the point and perpendicular to given vector. So once again I am repeating. First of all, take one point A plane passing to that point A, and position vector is A bar. Plane perpendicular to N bar vector. Any point you take P, OP bar equal to R bar. Next, then the point P lies in a plane if and only if AP bar is perpendicular to N bar. So dot product is equal 0. AP bar we can write as a OP bar minus OA bar. R bar minus A bar dot N bar equal to 0. This is called a plane equation in vector form. Cartesian form, just to write the position vectors and simplify. A into X minus X1 plus B into Y minus Y1 plus C into Z minus Z1. That is a Cartesian form of a equation. So pause the video to note it down. Based upon previous theorem, one example problem will see. Example problem number 17. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of planes passing through the point, one point they given, and perpendicular to the line with direction ratios. Direction ratios they given means we can find the vector. Perpendicular means normal vector also we can find here. Solution: let the position vector of point 5 comma 2 comma minus 4 is a bar. I am taking a bar equal to 5 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 4 k cap. This is the position vector of point passing through the point they are telling. Capital A we will take the naming as a bar, position vector, and normal vector to the plane n bar we will indicate it with normal vector. Normal means perpendicular vector, that is capital N bar. Capital N bar equal to, this is a line equation. Direction cosines is direction ratios is 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap. 2 I cap. This is a vector equation. If you know the direction ratios, you can write the vector equation. Therefore, the vector equation of plane is r bar minus a bar dot of n bar equal to 0. R bar minus a bar is 5 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 4 k cap dot product with 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap equal to 0. 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap equal to 0. This is a vector form of a equation. By this one it will complete. Now Cartesian form of a equation. The Cartesian equation of plane is just direct substitute here, direct, otherwise formula based also you can make. Direct I am substituting is r bar plus xi cap, yj cap, zk cap minus 5 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 4 k cap dot 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap equal to 0. So now subtraction you make here, x minus 5 into I cap, y minus 2 into j cap, z minus of minus plus 4 into k cap, dot product with 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap equal to 0. So now multiplication you have to make. Dot product is there. Dot product means corresponding elements multiplication. So 2 into x minus 5 plus 3 into y minus 2. Next one minus 1 is there. So minus 1 into z plus 4. Z plus 4 equal to 0. 2x minus 10 plus 3y minus 6 minus z minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus z minus 10 minus 10 minus 20 equal to 0. This is a Cartesian equation of plane which is passing to this point and perpendicular to the line perpendicular to the line with the direction ratios 2, 3, minus 1. So this is the way of finding the plane equation passing to the point and perpendicular to the vector. So similar problems is there. Similar problems in exercise 11.3 I displayed there. Problem number 5. Problem number 5. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of a planes. First one, plane passing through the point 1 comma 0 comma minus 2 and normal to the plane. Normal to the plane means perpendicular to the plane. Direct they given I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Here direction ratios they given. Direct n bar they given. N bar equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Next problem also 1 comma 4 comma 6 is the point. From point A bar you will get N bar direct they are giving. Capital N bar equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So find the vector equation and Cartesian equation of a plane passing to the point and perpendicular to the vector. Two problems is there. The two problems take as a homework. Pause the video to note it down. Next, this is also one theorem, but don't need the proof. Just they'll ask the questions based upon this this concept. Direct question, 3 marks questions. If you know the formula, direct you can do that problems. Equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. 3 non-collinear points. Non-collinear points means determinant should not equal to 0. If determinant of the 3 points is equal to 0, then the points are collinear. So non-collinear points is there. That points I am taking as a R, S and T with position vectors. Position vectors A bar, B bar and C bar. Vector form. First of all, vector form. Vector form of a plane equation: R bar minus A bar dot of B bar minus C bar cross C bar minus A bar. This is the vector form of a plane equation passing through 3 non-collinear vectors. And Cartesian form. Cartesian form. If you know the 3 points, the 3 points let R of x1 comma y1 comma z1, S of x2 comma y2 comma z2, T of, here capital T is how to take point, x3 comma y3 comma z3. So now Cartesian form of a plane equation passing through these 3 points is x minus x1, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, z minus z1. Here x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. If you are simplifying equation, plane equation passing through 3 given points, you will get. So now another concept is there, another one, intercept form of a equation of a plane. So first of all, I'll take the one plane equation. Let plane equation ax plus by plus cz minus capital D equal to 0. First of all, how to convert this one means ax plus by plus cz equal to D divided by D. Ax by D plus by D, c by cz by D equal to 1. Total dividing with D. X by, we can write D by A plus y by D by B, z by D by C equal to 1. So this one I am naming as a x by A plus y by B plus z by C equal to 1. This is the intercept form. Line equation in first year also we discussed. X by A plus y by B equal to 1. That is the line equation in intercept form. Here plane equation, so that's why one more z extra you will get. Z by C equal to 1. So this is the intercept form of a equation, plane equation. So these two concept based problems we'll see. Pause the video to note it down. Next, example 18, based upon the 3 plane equation passing through 3 points. Based upon that concept, one example problem. Find the vector equation of plane. Cartesian equation they are not asking. Vector equation of plane passing through the 3 points. So, first of all, solution, let the 3 points position vectors I am taking as a bar. 2i cap plus 5j cap minus 3k cap. Next, b bar equal to minus 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap. And c bar equal to 5i cap plus 3j cap minus 3k cap. The vector equation of plane passing to the points. Therefore, the vector equation of plane passing through 3 points, passing through 3 points is r bar minus a bar dot of b bar minus a bar cross c bar minus a bar. B bar minus a bar cross c bar minus a bar equal to 0. So substitute here r bar minus a bar is 2i cap plus 5j cap minus 3k cap dot of b bar. What is the b bar vector here? Minus 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap minus of 2i cap 5j cap minus 3k cap cross of, I am writing here downside, c bar minus a bar 5i cap plus 3j cap minus 3k cap minus of 2i cap plus 5j cap minus 3k cap. So this is the no need to do simplification. This is a vector form of a equation, plane passing through the 3 points. This is a vector equation. In question they didn't mention direct plane passing through the 3 points, means you have to find using the Cartesian equation, Cartesian form of a equation. If you know the Cartesian form, already determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, x3 minus x, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. So x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3. Next exercise problems is there, 2 problems. Problem number 6 I displayed there. First of all, you have to check that 3 points are collinear or not. If determinant of these 3 points equal to 0, points are collinear. Collinear means infinitely many plane equations you will get. No need to find the plane equation. Just you have to first determinant of 3 points. Determinants of 3 points. Their 6th problem you can see 1 1 minus 1, 6 4 minus 5, minus 4 minus 2 3. If we are making determinant first this one, this is equal to 0. Determinant equal to 0. The 3 points are collinear. Infinitely many plane equations is there. Next problem number 2 you take 1 1 0, 1 2 1, minus 2 2 minus 1. Determinant first you find. It is not equal 0. Not equal 0 means you have to use the Cartesian equation. Determinant of x minus x1. That equation is there. In that substitute and simplify. Plane equations you will get. That 6th problem take as a homework. Pause the video to note it down. Now, problem number 7 and 8 in exercise 11.3. Find the intercepts cut off by the plane. Intercepts they are asking. Intercept form just we discussed. X by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. A, b, c are the intercepts. Solution. Given plane 2x plus y minus z equal to 5. So, divided by 5 on both sides. 2x by 5 plus y by 5 plus minus z by 5 equal to 1. I am writing here minus, I am writing plus into minus and again minus. Why? Because standard form conversion. What we have to make x coefficient should be downside. X by 5 by 2 plus y by 5 by 1 plus z by 5 by minus 1 equal to 1. So this one we can write as a x by 5 by 2 y by 5 plus z by minus 5 equal to 1. Therefore intercepts are 5 by 2 comma 5 comma minus 5. 5 by 2 5 and minus 5 are the intercepts made by the plane. So this is the way of finding the intercept. Denominator what is there? That are the intercept. X intercept is 5 by 2, y intercept is 5, z intercept is minus 5. So next problem number 8, find the equation of plane with intercept 3 on y axis, intercept on y axis and parallel to the ZOX plane. Direct I am writing, we know that ZOX plane parallel to ZOX plane equation is y equal to b. B is the intercept. Here intercept b equal to 3. Therefore y equal to 3 is the answer. Just ZOX asking y equal to b. ZOY asking z equal to a. A is nothing but here intercept. Y intercept is b. Here y intercept how much they given? 3 they given. So y equal to 3 is the answer. So pause the video to note it down.